Good afternoon, students. Today I am taking the topic correlation of unit number 3rd. It is denoted by small r. First of all, we will understand what is correlation, what are the types of correlation and methods to find out the correlation. So correlation, it is the relationship between two or more than two or more than two variables. The value of correlation lies between -1 and +1. So suppose this is a line here, this is -1, 2 plus 1. In center this is 0. 0 meaning it says there is no correlation. If we divide it into, this is 0.75, here it is 0.25, and the left side minus 0.75 minus 0.25. Minus 1 means perfect negative correlation. +1 indicates perfect positive correlation. If the value lies between -1 to 0.75 and plus 0.75 to 0.751, it shows there is a higher degree of correlation. हायर यानी कि कोरिलेशन बहुत हाई है. If it lies between 0.75 to 0.25 and positive side also 0.25 to 0.75, it indicates there is a moderate degree of correlation. Meaning correlation तो है पर ज़्यादा नहीं है. And if it is between 0.25 to plus 0.25, that is there is lower, बहुत कम, lower degree of correlation. All right, we'll understand the types of correlation. Clear? First, positive correlation. Positive correlation means, as I said, there are two variables. If one variable increase, the other variable also increase, or we say if one decrease, other is also decrease. तो यहाँ पर जो कर्व बनेगा वो कैसा बनेगा? लीनियर कर्व. सेकंड, नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन. नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन says there is opposite relationship. If one increase, the other variable decrease, or we can say if one decrease, other increase. So there is a inverse relationship between the two variables. Third is the simple correlation. All right, simple correlation meaning it is the relationship between two variables only. Fourth is partial correlation. It means we have more than two variables, but at a time we are studying only two variables, right? Fifth comes multiple correlation. Multiple correlation state that we have more than two variables. In multiple correlation we deal at least 3 variables simultaneously. एक साथ हम 3 पढ़ सकते हैं. 6 comes linear correlation. Linear correlation meaning any change in one variable leads to change in other variable in the same ratio. We can take an example. For example, x is and y, there are two variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. If we divide x by y, it will become 1 by 10, 1 by 10 and so on. So there is constant ratio 1 upon 10. It is known as linear correlation. And the last one is the non-linear correlation. It is a situation in which any change in one variable, any change in one variable leads to change in other variable in different ratio. For example, x एक वेरिएबल है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y variable is 2, 10, 30, 60, 50. If we divide x by y, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 15, 1 by 10. So we are seeing here there is a different ratio. Now methods to determine correlation. There are two methods to find out the correlation. The first one is Karl Pearson's methods of correlation, and second, Spearman's rank correlation method. In the next video presentation, we will discuss Karl Pearson method of correlation to find out the solution of the problems. Thank you, guys.